Now, more than ever, we all need a place to go, to escape, to refresh our mind and renew our perspective. Imagine a place with mile after pristine mile of freshwater shoreline, plus all the fresh coast air you can breathe. Let your worries float away upon the greatness of our waters. Envision the warmth of summer sun on your skin. And waves lapping at your toes. See yourself making memories with those who matter most to you. See their faces light up in the moment. Soon, you'll be able to experience the wonders of travel in Wisconsin. Till then, take comfort in knowing you can come back to this relaxed state anytime you please.